stormy.
We are here in the Shy Kids Casa with Matt from the band, and we've also got all the Shy Kids watching us on deck. But first, we wanted to do a recipe that was based off them as a band. So I decided to go with a little cocktail, entirely based on their Rockets video, which has huge amounts of candy inside of it. So we looked to Kinsip for some gin. I soaked some fuzzy peaches in here. 24 hours, you into it? I hear gin's your favorite cocktail.
It is. My favorite.
We also have this watermelon juice, and we're gonna blend watermelon juice inside the watermelon.
That's fancy stuff.
The guys over there, your favorite cocktail. What would you order if someone else was paying for it?
Really like dark and stormies.
Yeah, gin and ginger ale for me. I think that was something my mom put me onto.
You know, like when you take absinthe and you like do the sugar and like do the water droplets on it, like that fancy process. I love that drink.
We're gonna actually start building the cocktail. 3 parts. 1 part booze, 1 part the tonic, and 1 part the juice. I'm gonna carbonate the water, and that's what's gonna be the tonic element in our G&T. Do you guys have something to say about this?
Yeah, what do you call this cocktail?
Well, Walter, it's called the Waltermelon Shy Peach. Cheers.
So, how is it?
It tastes like our
Very...
music.
Okay, we'll deliver.
I
Cheers.
love the color. This is
Cheers.
And I can't wait to learn your recipe next.
Okay. Okay.
It is fresh.
Ooh.
Oh wow, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I really like that.
Come scooch in.
Scooch in there.
Who
Yeah.
wants my gummies?
The fresh watermelon juice does make a huge difference.
It does.
How did you guys become a band? Obviously, we all went to university together, so I kind of know.
We did a talent show, me and Patrick,
Yeah.
in residence.
Pittman.
After that, we added on these knuckleheads.
Where I met Matt the first time, that would have been almost a decade ago. Yeah, we showed you the first demo we've been working on in Walter's basement.
Did we?
Art school.
Ooh. It's not a
I
good
wanna
song.
hear that.
What are we gonna do when we leave art school? What are we gonna be with our degrees? Yeah. So we just did that, and then we started. We'd like make movies and stuff together. So we do all sorts of
Yeah.
things.
And so, what's the history of this apartment?
So I moved in second year university with a different roommate, and so Walter was like, "Well, if your roommate's leaving, I'll move in with you." He
And
did
just
that,
to be
yeah.
clear, there's only 1 bedroom in this apartment with walls.
You can hear everything.
Yeah.
Made
So
worse by the next year when
Yeah.
I decided I would move in so it'd be cheaper for everybody. So then Matt and I shared a wall-less upstairs.
Now it's just me. I've annexed everyone else out.
Let's cheers, and we'll go on to the next recipe. I can't wait to
Alright.
see what you guys have in
Can he
store.
do a glove? You ready for
Yeah,
this?
try it.
Oh, I
Give
might
it
have
a
drank too
grab.
much already.
Oh. Here with Walter from Shy Kids. He's gonna teach us a recipe. What are we making here today?
Today we're making egg noodle stir fry, stir shy.
I think I'm familiar with some of these ingredients.
I hope so.
Yeah, what made you choose this one for us?
I think this is the most common meal
Mhm.
that we probably ate while recording. I used to work at a restaurant called Momofuku, and they make really good noodles. And then I basically took everything I learned from there and bastardized it and made it cheaper and more effective.
Efficient.
Nothing is the same about the original recipe, except that there's noodles.
Guys, have you tried this one before?
Have we tried this one before?
Yeah.
Many times.
Walter's
Anytime.
specialty.
I know you'd think it'd be perfected by now, but let's see.
Much like
Let's
making
go.
music, you know, you want to experiment.
For sure.
Much like this band, it's all gonna be me.
Okay, so put me to work. What are the
Wow.
first steps?
So I can do the onion,
I'll do
you can do the broccoli. Yeah,
Okay.
that's perfect. Sort of a.
Goals. And then so for you guys over there, Music and food, how do they go together?
You have so many different resources of like how you can learn about cooking more and how you can learn about a new band. And like I'm a better cook now because of that kind of stuff.
Just to interrupt you. So I've cut my half an onion. We gotta let these onions sweat. Sesame oil. Here we go.
Here we go.
I love sesame taste. I think poppy seeds are an inferior seed if you're having bagels. Is that how you're cutting the pepper?
I was going to, but
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
like around,
Shaving it.
and then there's like a little thing on the bottom that's its own piece.
Here's what I do.
Yeah. Okay, so you cut your pepper however you want to cut
I
it.
don't feel like our onions are kind of sweating
Sweating the
as
way.
much as I want. On level of sweat, it's like Greg in wintertime.
And I'm always sweating a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm not a stinky person, I'm just a sweaty person.
I just wanted to interrupt and say, look at this. See? This is the problem with your technique.
Okay, I'll make a chunk out of that.
I'm talking about TO food waste over here.
Okay. But, okay, ouch. I also wanted to ask a question
Sure.
to you and to the guys. Where's your favorite place to eat?
Putting the broccoli in. I've had really good memories with Matt at Faux Hung.
Yeah, guys, favorite restaurants over there?
On Roto. Right?
You feel like you're in Blade Runner when you walk in. Salmon head. And it was just the full head of
Yeah.
the salmon roasted with a bunch of like delicious. I ate the eyeball, ate it.
You ate the
I ate the
Yeah.
eye. I'm not gonna waste it.
Back over here,
Back over here, so we got
tour de pantry.
the onions going. We got the broccoli going. Time to add the peppers.
Peppers.
I think it's time to put the egg noodles in. What do you think? Is that just like earthiness?
I think it's just earthiness. Let's do it again without you saying it smells bad.
It's not. That's gonna be funny if they.
No. Okay, so you're washing them in the sink.
Yeah, I mean,
In the bag. Method.
I like to do this technique.
Okay, show us the technique.
You put the water in the
I've
bag.
never seen this.
You've never
before.
seen that?
But I think, you know, that's the beauty of a series like this is it's not professional chefs all the time. It's real people, time-saving tips.
Ooh, dropped a bit too many there. No, tasty over tradition. You know hoisin's made of oysters.
Okay, so that's coming together.
We're gonna do this.
The classic smush smush.
A little bit of sesame oil.
Yeah. Looks like all the vegetables are cooked, all the sauces have kind of melted together.
What's this all about? Sesame. It
Hey,
wasn't great.
oh my goodness. So here we have
This is
it.
it.
Walter's famous stir fry for the Shy Kids fam. I was very happy to learn a recipe of yours and get to share one with you guys.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Chin chin. Let's just plate these up and eat some stir fry.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Ooh.
No broccoli for me.
Broccoli.
That's your favorite part.
Yeah.
Give you one more broccoli. I know you love it.
You immediately know.
All right.
A little bit of
Okay,
everything
so
in
the
here.
final verdict, visually, you know.
Can we be brutally
stunning.
honest?
Yeah, I think
course.
we can be brutally honest. It's your friend, not my recipe, so. It's tasty.
Pretty good.
I like the sriracha sneaks up.
The vegetables are nicely cooked.
There's that.
A little much on the sesame. I will say.
It's definitely a powerful taste.
And at the end of the day, it gets the job done. When you're working
Keeps us
hard,
going.
you're with friends,
I
you
think-
need some sustenance.
It's just about eating together.
Just snuck over the back wall for a home run.
Oh.
Is it going foul?
Is what they always
But then
ask
it
about my
worked out.
food.
Shall we cheers here all together?
I'm Danielle Finestone. This is ToFoodies and Soundbites, so do not forget to subscribe.